everyone! In this video, I will share how to determine the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Paano nga ba gamitin ang discriminant? Gaano nga ba kahalaga ang discriminant sa pag-solve o pagkuha ng roots ng quadratic equation? Guys, huwag po kayo mahiya na pindutin ang subscribe button at i-click ang notification bell para maging updated para sa mga susunod pa nating mga video. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na! Bago ang lahat, alamin muna natin kung ano mga ba ang discriminant. The discriminant determines the nature of the roots of a quadratic. The expression b squared minus 4ac is the quadratic equation's discriminant. Laging tandaan na ang equation ng discriminant ay b squared minus 4ac. Kung matatandaan ninyo sa unang lesson, merong 4 method on how to solve quadratic equation o kung paano kunin ang roots ng quadratic equation. Ito ay factoring, extracting roots, completing square, at quadratic formula. Sa pamamagitan ng discriminant, malalaman natin kung ano ang nature ng roots of quadratic equation. Magkakaroon tayo ng idea kung ang roots ba ng isang quadratic equation ay parehong number, magkaiba o wala talagang real roots. For this activity, complete the table given below and find the relation among constant a, b, and c in the quadratic equation standard form. For the first given, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. To get the value or the constant of a, b, c, kailangan muna nating isulat sa standard form ang quadratic equation. May times kasi na hindi nakasulat ang quadratic equation sa standard form, may posibilidad na magkamali tayo sa pagkuha ng constant ng a, b, c. Kaya laging tandaan, kailangan siguraduhin muna natin nakasulat sa standard form ang quadratic equation para makuha rin natin ang tamang constant ng a, b, and c. Ang constant ng a ay makukuha natin sa quadratic term. So, tandaan niyo pa ba kung ano ang quadratic term, linear term, at constant term ng quadratic equation? Next, kunin naman natin ang value ng b squared minus 4ac. Para makuha natin ang value ng b squared minus 4ac, kailangan nating i-substitute ang value o yung constant or equivalent number ng b, a, and c. As you can see guys, ang value ng b is negative 4, kaya naipalit natin o na-substitute ang negative 4 sa b. At ang value ng a is 1, value ng c is 4, kaya 1 and 4 ang nakalagay dito. Our equation is negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4 equals 0. Now, paano naging equal sa 0? Pagkatapos natin i-substitute ang value ng a, b, and c or yung constant ng a, b, c, kailangan natin itong i-simplify. Negative 4 squared equals positive 16. Negative 4 times 1 equals negative 4 times 4 equals negative 16. Negative 16 minus 16 equals 0. Kaya ito ay nag-equal sa 0. Next, let us get the value of x sub 1 and x sub 2 or yung roots ng quadratic equation na x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Tandaan, sa pagkuha ng roots, maaari tayong gumamit ng anumang angkop na method sa pag-solve ng quadratic equation. Tandaan nyo pa ba yung apat na method? Here, the roots of x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. X sub 1 is positive 2 and x sub 2 equals 2. Next given, x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Again, make sure na nakasulat sa standard form ang quadratic equation bago natin kunin ang value ng a, b, and c. Here, the value of a is 1, b is 7, and c is 10. Next, substitute the value of a, b, and c sa b squared minus 4ac. Then, we have 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10 equals 9. Next, simplify. 7 squared, ibig sabihin 7 times 7 equals 49. Negative 4 times 1 equals negative 4 times 10 equals negative 40. We have 49 minus 40 equals positive 9. b squared minus 4ac is equals to positive 9. Kaya 9 ang nakasulat. Next, roots of x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equals to negative 2 and x equals negative 5. Next, given x squared plus 6x plus 3 equals 0. Value of A is 1, value of B is 6, and value of C is 3. Next, substitute again the value of ABC to B squared minus 4AC. Our equation is 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 equals 24. Again, simplify na naman natin itong 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3, kaya ang nakuha natin is 24. The roots are x equals negative 3 plus square root of 6 and x equals negative 3 minus square root of 6. Another example, x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 0. The value of A is 1, value of B is negative 2, and the value of C is 5. Again, substitute the value of ABC to the equation of B squared minus 4AC. We have negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5 equals negative 16. And the roots are x equals 6 and x equals positive 1. Remember the nature of roots of quadratic equation. If b squared minus 4ac equals 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Now let's proceed to our next activity. Characterize the roots of the following quadratic equation using the discriminant. Our given is x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. First, identify the value or constant of ABC. Next, substitute the value of ABC to the discriminant equation, which is b squared minus 4ac equals 0. Simplifying the equation, the discriminant is equals to 0. Remember, if b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, kapag daw ang discriminant na nakuha natin ay equals to 0, then the nature of the roots are real and equal. To check, kailangan natin solve ang given quadratic equation. In this case, maaari natin gamitin ang factoring method. Using factoring method, the roots of the given equation are x equals 2 or x equals positive 2 and x equals positive 2. And the nature of the roots are equal. Tama naman, pareho ang roots na ating nakuha. Next, given x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Again, para malaman natin kung ano ang nature of roots of this quadratic equation, kailangan muna natin kunin ang value o constant ng a, b, and c. Next step, substitute the value or constant of ABC to the equation of discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. Ayan, so pagkatapos natin substitute at isimplify, ang ating discriminant na nakuha is positive 9. Now, ang discriminant na nakuha natin ay positive 9, which is greater than 0. Remember, if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Ibig sabihin, real at magkaiba yung makukuha nating sagot. By applying factoring method to solve this equation, now let's check. Tingnan natin kung talaga magkaiba nga ba ang roots ng quadratic equation na ito. The roots are x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 5. And tama nga, real and magkaiba ang ating roots. Another example, x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Again, first get the value or the constant of ABC. Next, substitute the value to the equation of discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, and then simplify. The discriminant is negative 16. The discriminant is negative 16, which is less than 0. Remember, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Pag sinabi natin the roots are not real, ibig sabihin, the roots will not satisfy the given equation. Ibig sabihin nito na kapag na-substitute natin yung roots na nakuha natin sa equation, hindi mag-i-equal ang sagot. Now, it's your turn. Characterize the roots of the following quadratic equation using the discriminant. That's all for this video lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for next topic. Thank you for watching.